Hi everyone, this is Shubhaman. Wishing all of you a Merry Christmas. So right now I'm in Baligon, going to attend a very special event. I have my friends with me. So this is Soham, this is Sumit, and this is Oyo. By the way, Oyon is busy looking at his GPS.
Yeah, I am the trip advisor.
We are kind of lost. By the way, स्पेशल इवेंट क्या है जानने के लिए वॉच द फुल वीडियो. वी आर काइंड ऑफ लॉस्ट राइट नाउ. जीपीएस भी हमको ठीक से नहीं गाइड कर रहा है. Okay, so we are 300 meters away from our destination. Sometimes that 300 meter turns out to be 3 kilometers. No matter where we go, बालीगंज का वाइब भी कुछ अलग टाइप का है. एकदम ओल्ड कोलकाता प्लस मॉडर्न कोलकाता का फील एक साथ देता है. Okay, so we are standing right in front of Chaudhary House. This is where the event is taking place. We have reached our destination and now we are gonna go inside. Done.
Let's go.
So we are inside Chaudhary House right now. Got our band. Outstanding environment inside this. The event we are in right now, the main theme of this event is around metaverse, blockchain, Web3, the topic which are in trend right now.
And within this program, we will also have with the YouTubers. So
It's also a kind of creator summit where many famous Bengali creators are going to come. It's going to be a fan meetup. So let's see how it goes. ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत है. It's an outstanding place. The vibe around us is super amazing. And there is a blockchain workshop going on behind me.
तू बन गया बात दिल की नजरों की सच कह रहा तेरी सनम तेरे बिन अब मरेंगे कोई हम तुझे कितना जाने लगे हम.
Okay, we have laughter scene. We have your non-scene. I have to record this. How many guys are excited for your non-scene? Amazing, yeah. So we have your non-scene coming up. And we have Anupam Das, Sheelam Gupta, Candy Kelly, and Harry Bol, guys. A lot of oh my God, Harry Bol fans are also here. And
Repeating this once again.
the vibe inside this place is just super amazing.
70 is more than enough, bro.
Enough. By the way, the entire theme of this event is based on blockchain, metaverse, wave 3, especially the topics that are in trend right now, and I personally think it's going to be our future, and these are the only things that caught my attention to this event. Also, it's a kind of creator summit where many famous creators of Bengal will be coming here. We are going to have a fan meetup. We are going to meet them. So, Shubham, can you just talk about the creators, or can you just tell which creators are going to come here?
Candy Kelly, Nasif Akhtar, very famous Bengal YouTuber.
By the way, Candid Kelly is already here.
Yes, they are already come. And then Miss Datta, Angry Didi, Your Nonsense, then many more are there.
We will also be having many esports games that are based on blockchain, that is play to earn. That's exactly how NFT games work. So I think it's going to be crazy. It's only been around 1 hour that we have been here. A lot is left to explore. So let's go and see what we have.
Miss Datta here on our stage. This is our special stage, ma'am. Okay. ये इसीलिए क्योंकि कुर्सी पे ज़्यादा हाइट है. Okay, can we have one more mic, please? Can we have one more mic, please? Okay, guys. Finally, you did not see the craziness they were having. We just go ahead with it, guys. Can we have some noise for Miss Datta? Please get up on our special stage, yeah. Okay, Shaba, can you make some noise, yeah? Okay guys,
দারুণ স্টেজ কিন্তু মানে আমি এত মানে বড় জায়গা এক্সপেক্টই করছিলাম না, খুব বেশি বড় জায়গাটা।
Hi everyone! Merry Christmas! কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? I'm sorry শামি, তোর থেকে মাইকটা নিলাম, তুই কি রাগ করলি? Shit! কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? এই ভাই দুটো মাইক দে, ওই আরে ছিনাছিনি করবো নাকি আমরা?
Yeah, they're gonna be here. You guys will get to meet them. Push back, please.
So this event is sponsored by Polygon. Polygon is one of India's blockchain project. अभी तक influencers meetup चल रहा है. Leaving the place right now, it has been an absolutely crazy day. आधे से ज़्यादा टाइम तो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का जो इवेंट था वही देखते देखते चला गया. Right now I think we are going to Park Street. वहाँ पे देखने का ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. The decoration is just crazy in Park Street, especially during Christmas time. तो अभी I think we are going to Park Street. So we are in Park Street right now. This is the first time we are coming to Park Street in Christmas. पहले बहुत बार आ चुके हैं हम, बट क्रिसमस के टाइम पहली बार आए Park Street में.
The metro station is right in front of me and it's absolutely crazy. So just look at the crowd in the metro station behind me. Oh my god.
Absolutely crazy decoration. So we have already situation here. हमारे साथ जो दो दोस्त थे वो खो गए. Soham just called them and I don't know where they are. Let's see if we manage to find them or not.
Found both of them. दोनों थोड़ा टाइम के लिए अलग हो गए थे. Managed to find both of them and enjoying the decoration here. Oh my god. It's absolutely crazy decoration. Lighting everywhere.